Alright, here we are at a little creek. I say a little bit, it's a pretty big creek, Dunlap Creek. Gonna see what we can't catch here. It's filled with smallmouth and trout, so we're gonna see what we can't figure out. See what we can't pull out of here. Get us down here. First cast. I've already seen a couple bass swimming around. Nothing huge, but ooh, had a bite already. Got one. Yep, a smallie. Woo. Look at that, boys. Beautiful smallie. Let him go. First cast. See if we can get one on the second cast. See what happens. Right. Switching up to a Joe's fly. A couple more casts with that. Always had more luck with a spinner in this creek, so we're gonna see what we can't do with this. Go. Oh, a rock bass. All right. Little red eye. Multi-species type of day, huh? Let's see what else we can't get. See some like oversized rock bass. There he goes. Got him. Oh, they just look giant from up here. That's what it is. Holy crap. You chomped that sucker. But I can get another one. Let's see what we can do. Oh, one's on it, big trout on it. Another trout on it, got it. Oh, that was a rock bass. There's a trout, a really nice trout in there. Oh, two really nice trouts. Oh, could you guys see them? Let's see. Come here, buddy. See you later. Oh, those are nice trout. Two really nice ones. Got one. Not what I wanted, but seen a big trout. All rock bass. Amazing. Let's see if I can get that other fish. Let's see what he does. There he is. Man, that was a perfect cast, not a single follow. Oh, thank the Lord I got that open. got a fish again. Another rock bass. Golly. Last time I was up here, these guys weren't really out and about, but they obviously are now. When they're out, you know. Got whatever that is. Smallmouth. Itty bitty one. Oh, caught him. See you later, bud. Let's get down here. Oh, there's a trout on it, I think. At least it looked like there was. Got him. Oh, it's a nice rainbow. I think it's a rainbow. Yeah, rainbow trout. Get the net out. Oh, yeah, really nice rainbow. Whew. Look at him. Get him back in the water for a second. Yeah. Give us some slack real quick. Whew. Let me get them out of here and show you guys. Beautiful fish. Let's let her go. Come on, girl. There you go. Look at her. There she goes. There comes one. What is with these fish today? And following it super hard, but not eating it. Oh my goodness. Look at all the brown trout. Got him. Oh, it's a smallmouth. It's a good size smallie too. Oh, what is that? It's another smallmouth. Look at that, boys. It's a good smallie. See you later, buddy. Other big brown chasing it. Oh, looky there. This really is a multi-fish day. Come on, let me get it out. These fish are always so pretty. Later, bud. No way. Oh, that was a bluegill, or a sunfish that just ate that minnow. Let's get over here real quick. Rock bass again. Oh, this one's a lot fatter. Look at that. Chunky one. Not really after those, but you know how it goes. Got one. Smallmouth. Was not ready for him. Got him though. Calm down, bud. I'm letting you go. Here he is, boys. Got him. Oh my goodness. It's a smallie again. It's another good smallie. Woo. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead. Got him. What is this? Oh, another rock bass. It's a pretty big rock bass. I mean, look at him. Oh, he's not that big. See you later, bud. Oh, okay. How the heck did you eat that? Tail first, too. All right, boys. It's gonna be the last one of the day. See you later.